For the best price, click the link in the description /N. Are you considering upgrading your drone game with the DJI Mavic 3 /N? But here's what surprised me. Despite its hefty price tag, this drone is packed with features that make it worth every penny. /N, however, I'm not just going to take their word for it. I've put the DJI Mavic 3 through rigorous testing, and I'll share my honest review with you today. /N. Therefore, if you're wondering whether or not the DJI Mavic 3 is right for you, keep watching. The DJI Mavic 3 is a high-end drone that boasts an impressive array of features. /N. From its robust 5-pedal design to its incredible camera capabilities, this drone is designed to perform in even the most challenging environments. /N. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into some of the specific features that make the DJI Mavic 3 stand out from the crowd. The first thing you'll notice about the DJI Mavic 3 is its sleek, compact design. /N. Weighing in at just over a pound, this drone is incredibly portable and easy to take on the go. /N. However, don't let its small size fool you. This drone is capable of capturing stunning 4K video and photos with ease. One of the standout features of the DJI Mavic 3 is its camera. /N. The drone comes equipped with a Hasselblad LTD-20C camera, which offers an impressive level of detail and color accuracy. /N. Therefore, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or documenting important events, this drone's camera has got you covered. But what really sets the DJI Mavic 3 apart is its advanced obstacle avoidance system. /N. The drone uses a combination of sensors and cameras to detect and avoid obstacles in real time, making it incredibly safe to fly. /N. However, I was surprised to find that even with this advanced safety feature, the DJI Mavic 3 can still be prone to crashes if not flown carefully. So what does this mean for you? /N. If you're an experienced drone pilot looking for a high-end flying experience, the DJI Mavic 3 is definitely worth considering. /N. But if you're just starting out or on a budget, you may want to look elsewhere. Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of the pros and cons. Pros: impressive camera capabilities. Advanced obstacle avoidance system. Compact and portable design. Long battery life. Cons: expensive price tag. Prone to crashes if not flown carefully. Complex software interface can be overwhelming for beginners. As I mentioned earlier, the DJI Mavic 3 is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a high-end drone. /N. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Therefore, let me summarize my findings and provide some recommendations. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 3 is an incredibly capable drone that offers stunning camera capabilities and advanced safety features. /N. But with a hefty price tag and complex software interface, it may not be for everyone. /N. However, if you're willing to invest in this top-of-the-line drone, I promise you won't be disappointed. So what do you think? Is the DJI Mavic 3 worth the extra money? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. For the best price, click the link in the description /N.